Waarom heb ik geen mensen in mijn kring dat kan irriteren? Ze irriteren zodat ze irriteren, zodat ze kan irriteren. Ze voelen zich geïrriteerd, ligt dan irritatie, vice versa. Ik was eergisteren nog niet klaar, dus heb ik een vice versa. En dan irriteer ik alvorens te irriteren, voordat ik wist te irriteren. Ik zweeg patroon, maar ik kreeg nooit wat hij had qua synoniemen. Ik vis patroon uit de handen, blijkt toch dat het rechtvaardig geschiet. Slechts omdat ik geen plaats in mijn hart verdiende, vind ik het hem liever. Voorzichtig door de eigen ziekte leerde ik hem om zichzelf te genieten. Naar de diepte, weet pas wat diep zit in de liefde te bedden. Erg kult, wie dus van licht terug, door felle klimaat. Hij zal waarschijnlijk niet meer zichzelf zijn, want hem is het grid per kameel geturfd gevallen van de centrum pan. Jacht, achter elke sultan staat een vrouw, maar deze is hogere rang. Als een omgekeerde feministische grap. Je hebt elites in je samenleving nodig, maar wat als er eentje voor doorgaat? Het militaristische land, lanterfant, flabbergas, motherfucker, de kashandelapparaat, het is Nederland king as him. Niet as civilian as become hungry like an eating disorder. And the chapter unfolds in the acts of success, the be it the wonder. It's seemingly unpleasant and as not as I was hoping for, with fate and fortune telling. I mean well to my family, that's self-explanatory. Didn't need to tell the logic or formal language to believe the words I'm saying are from an honest worker. Like the rest of the forces that surround like a poster outside the sponsor. Did it without any law, but I admit it's my own fault with the human body carrying so much luggage on my heavy shoulders. I bought lessons well to careless, that's better than nothing. Great feast texting while I'm numb and vomit. Still be confronted, at least come something after my stomach. Having a feeling of a minor sense of it might be later on if all goes according to a specific motion of dynamics without tearing apart. Single fabric of space seen with open eyes and goggles. And the astronauts popping in and out of darkness. With massive gold in the pockets to excel at a continuous background. Like a handful brushed up with Bob Ross pencil on an empty target that is complete every second more in your strong. The two go as long as it can be taken from going on if it happened with the will of God's gratitude. That's also kind of like the pure living under circumstances that you make it adoration on behalf of the Father, the deep context, no matter how much the distance between his people is and his enormous reaching to the earth, chemistry circling around us, angels that he sent out to warn, when everything's go bizarre and whenever the entire planet is in tremendous suffering. I couldn't tell the difference from poor judgment. It's just imperfect, I couldn't stop her. Inside we do look like even dumber in the night where we don't speak and dare to pardon with a listening audience on a table that's been there since food was a solution to the problem. Company of large, in front of landlords, blended and hardly dauntless talking, sucking energy, sharing trophies and accomplishments. As a wanted subject for the mountain and failing with the brand of approval. When it sits down my tongue, ain't that the bitch on my side of the story? Laughing and coughing a whole set of disappointed flood. Beneath royal blood, but good enough for seats at my welcoming ceremony. I do nothing to harm, just to please another. They expect me when the population come merely to a pit from used to be a large pictorial. From the very beginning of the power that they used to have as the past symbol of strength and endurance and reign of the never-ending army. In a persistent garden, every morning explaining my wrongdoing. It's out of control like a sleeping guardian. Sneaky attacks from all the peaks and valleys. I wish I didn't poison and make my enemy go to his finish. In a harsh confinement with my son captured, while all we do is seek your attention. My beloved needs to be here, stand up, cause he follows up in the line of succession, which is the only candidate when I give it up to him to rule over the castle. It seems that I didn't count my other child to be with.